how to hide or unhide post from your Facebook timeline. Hello everyone, I'm here to guide you how you can hide or unhide the Facebook post from your Facebook timeline. So if you want to hide or unhide the Facebook post from your Facebook timeline, here are the process how you can do that. First of all, open the Facebook app and log into your account. And after that, you have to go to your profile and look at the post that you want to hide. So if I want to hide this post, you can't hide the reel or video from your timeline. You can hide the picture or photos here like this. Just tap on the three dot and go for the hide from your profile and go for the confirm option. So after that you have to go back. Again you have to click on your profile picture or name to access your profile, and you have to click on the three dots next to your profile here, and here you have to go for the activity log. In the activity log you have to look for the option of video hidden from the timeline here. Also you can go and search for that. So once you are on your activity log, you have to go for your Facebook activity and go for the manage post. So once you are on your manage post, here you have to scroll down and find that post here. After finding that post which is hidden from your profile, just tap on the three dot here. And after tapping on the three dot, you have to just go for the add to profile here. So here you can see that you have successfully hide and unhide the post from your Facebook timeline. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.